Welcome to the Supplier Platform channel. In this video, we'll explain what a layered process audit is, how to introduce it step by step, and the benefits for your organization. A layered process audit, or LPA, is a short, frequent, and focused check of critical process controls. Unlike a long formal audit, an LPA is a quick confirmation that the process is being followed correctly. It is typically dedicated to production operations, focusing on key manufacturing steps where errors are most likely to occur. What makes it special is that it's performed by multiple layers of the organization, from operators, to team leaders, to managers, and even executives. Now, step by step, how to introduce LPA in your organization. Step 1. Gain leadership support. Clearly explain the purpose, like faster problem detection, or consistent standards. Identify a sponsor who will champion resources and support escalation when needed. Step 2. Form a small LPA team. Include a process owner, quality representative, and a shop floor coach. This team will design the pilot and train auditors. Step 3. Identify and prioritize critical processes. Choose one production line or a few process steps that impact safety, quality, or cause repeat issues. Start where the risk and impact are highest. Step 4. Design short, objective checklists. Keep each checklist to 5 to 12 yes/no items focused on observable evidence, like machine settings, first-piece checks, labels, PPE, housekeeping. Make each checklist item clear. Step 5. Define layers and cadence for the pilot. Decide who audits and how often during the pilot, for example, operator daily, team lead twice a week, manager weekly. Keep it realistic so it gets done. Step 6. Train auditors before you start. Teach them to observe without blame, record facts, take photos as evidence, and use the escalation path. Practice a few sample audits on the line. Step 7. Run the pilot on the Gemba. Conduct audits, collect evidence, and log findings in a simple tracking tool or spreadsheet. Emphasize coaching on the spot. Fixes that can be done immediately should be done immediately. Step 8. Escalate and act on critical findings. Use clear owners, due dates, and containment actions. Verify fixes and close the loop. Don't let open issues linger. Step 9. Review pilot results and metrics. Look at frequency of findings, recurring items, and audit completion rates. Share simple trend charts with the team. Transparency builds trust. Step 10. Improve and scale. Refine checklists, update training, and expand LPA scope to additional lines or processes based on what worked in the pilot. Keep checklists short as you scale. Step 11. Institutionalize, schedule audits into daily routines, include LPA outcomes in management reviews, and recognize teams that reduce findings. Leadership involvement at higher layers should remain visible and supportive. Typical checklist questions you might use. Is the machine set according to specification? Are critical dimensions within tolerance in place? Is the traceability label applied? Is PPE in use? Is the workstation 5S compliant? Layered process audits bring real value. They detect problems earlier, keep processes consistent across shifts, create clear ownership, reduce surprises during customer or certification audits, and lower scrap and rework. Most importantly, they turn audits into coaching moments that prevent repeat mistakes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Supplier's platform for more similar content, and leave comments.